Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV on the YouTube, and today I'm with my 8-inch Anbull battery-powered chainsaw. They sent me this product, so I just wanted to kind of go over it with you and just kind of walk you through it and give you some ideas and talk about the capability of it. Okay, so take this review with a grain of salt. This was sent to me. I did not pay for this, but I would not, say something's great if I didn't like it or give you my opinions, okay? So this is a light-duty chainsaw, so don't get twisted. You're not gonna go out and cut down a 40-foot tree, but if you are cutting down a 40-foot tree, you do have a use for this, okay? I actually just cut down 4 40-foot trees at a family member's house, and we use this a lot, actually. The trees were pretty close to the house, so the house was here, trees were here, and it had a lot of tree branches that were leaning over the house. Okay, we obviously wanted to drop the tree or fell the tree away from the house. So we actually used this product to climb up in the tree and to shave off all of the branches that were leaning towards the house. And what this does is this transitions the weight, obviously, of the tree away from the house so that when we fell the tree, we were guaranteed at least that it would fall away from the house. Okay, so even if you're felling a 40-foot tree, you do have a use for this. Now, you're still going to need, obviously, a gas-powered, very capable 15, 18-inch barred chainsaw. This isn't a replacement for that by any means, okay? This is a complement to retool, a specialty tool, okay? So once you get your nice chainsaw, you want to get something like this. It's very nimble. You can get up in ladders. It's very light. You can get to places that you really couldn't get to with a gas-powered chainsaw, or places that might be a little too dangerous. This is actually very safe to use because you can use it with one hand pretty safely if you want to do that. Okay, so the batteries, it does come with 2 batteries. I will say I've only used 1 battery. I haven't even exhausted this 1 battery with all the cutting I've done, but it comes with 2, okay? Longevity, I can't talk to that, right? I've only had this for a few weeks, but it's worked great. I haven't had any issues. If there is longevity issues, I will probably add some comments and do another video on this. But anyway, it comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, very powerful batteries. It comes with 2 additional chains along with the chain that it comes with. It also comes with an extra bar. And obviously, since it's battery powered, it comes with a charger. The nice thing about this is it comes with a case. Being that it's a specialty tool, being that you're not going to be using this every day, it's nice to have a case whenever you get some specialty tool, So you just keep everything in one case, okay? I did use this to cut 2x4s and also used it to cut a bunch of limbs out back of my house. I'll splash some of the pictures up about that. We'll also have some video of the trees that we cut down with this already. So it's very capable. I don't see any long-term issues with it. I mean, I didn't take it apart and look inside, but it works. I don't have any issues. Nice thing about this too, it's battery operated. You can use it inside your house, okay? So if you're doing any kind of demo or something like that, you can use this to do the demo, right? This is how you tighten the chain. This is where you put your bar oil in, okay? So this is the 8-inch Anbull chainsaw, battery powered. I'm Mike from Family DIY TV on the YouTube. And before I go, click on the link down below. It'll take you directly to where you can purchase this if you're interested in it. But if you do click on that link, make sure you click on the $15 off coupon as well. It's on Amazon. I will also reach out to this company to see if they can give me even more off for the viewers of this channel. Maybe you can get, 25, 30, I don't know, we'll see what we can get off of it. But I'll put that link down below, all right? But I'm Mike from Family DIY TV on the YouTube. Please like, please subscribe. I got some cutting to do.